Welcome back. Tomazinho Cardozo failed to promote Konkani in Goa Assembly during his tenure as Speaker. This criticism has come from the President of Goa Konkani Academy, Prudent. He said had Tomazinho promoted Konkani like present Speaker Rajendra Arlekar, the official language would have attained true heights by now.
सभापती आशिल्लो, सभापती सादें पोस्ट न्ही. आमच्या लोकांनी सुद्दां तोमाजिनाक तरातरांनी सांगलें की तोमाजीन पळय सभापतीच्या पदार तूं आसा, एक कोंकणींतलो बरयणार तूं, एक कोंकणींतलो लेखक बरे तरेन आनी कोंकणीचो तूं वावूर कोंकणीचो तूं लिडर आसा. विधानसभेचे कितलेशेच कामकाज कितलेशेच वेव्हार तुवें कोंकणींतल्यान दवरूं येता. केलें? कांयच आमकां जालें ना. तें जायना वा जाता हेंवूय आमकां खबर नाशिल्लें जेन्ना राजेंद्र आर्लेकरान हांगासर कोंकणींतल्यान कामकाज सुरू केलें आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक तोंडान बोटां घालपाक लागलें. आरे म्हणजे हें कोंकणींतल्यान जावं येतालें. हे राजेंद्र आर्लेकरा सारकेलो मनीस जो मराठीचो न्ही कोंकणीचो न्ही प्रोटोगॉनिस्ट तो मनीस जर करता जायत जाल्यार तोमाजीन कार्दोजा सारको म्हजो सभापती थंय बसता मनीस आनी तो कोंकणीचो कांयच वावर करूंक शकना. आतां आमदार जातकच तुका सांत आंध्रेच्या लोक रोमीन उलयतात म्हणटा तो एक गोवा टुडेचेर ताणें जो मुलाखत दिल्या तातूंत सांगता तो पीपल स्पिकींग एंड रायटींग रोमी म्हणून. रायटींग रोमी जाल्यार समजूं येता हे अल्फाबेट्स आसा. स्पिकींग रोमी म्हळ्यार कितें? रोमान सुद्दां असो चमत्कार जायना. स्पिकींग रोमी म्हणटा तो.
Konkani Bhasha Mandal has also come down heavily on Vishnu Wagh.
दुसरी गजाल मात दुख्ख खंय जाता तागेलो इंट्रस्ट रोमीक बऱ्या पावपा खातीर ना, देवनागरी बऱ्या पावपा खातीर ना, तागे हिडन एजेंडा खूब आसा म्हणून चड दूख भोगता. जर इतलो सिन्सियर जर आशिल्लो जाल्यार दोनूय कॅम्पाक आपयतलो आशिल्लो, तांचे कडेन डिस्कस करतलो आशिल्लो आनी मागीर डिसिजन घेतलो आशिल्लो, जें जालें ना.
Reporters Mahesh Kari and Pratik Pora with video journalist Shashank Pal for Prudent.
The government of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has sent many Goans back home. Goa NRI Commissioner has confirmed that government of Saudi has sent 75,000 Indians back home for working on free visa. There are 12 Goans among these workers. Goa government has issued a notice warning people not to get lured by jobs in Saudi offered on free visa.
The government of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has taken a tough stand against the people working in Saudi on free visa. People are being sacked from the jobs. Goa government has issued notice stating that immigrants will have to work only with their employers whose names are mentioned in the entry visa. Relevant rules in Saudi Arabia prohibit persons from taking jobs with business other than their original employers.
Now they have been caught and they are going to be repatriated. So I think 75,000 Indians are there. Indians, out of which hardly 11-12 are Goans. This is an old issue and आता परत रिवाइव केला आणि ताका कितें 4-5 म्हयने दिल्ले रावपाक आतां ताणें असो व्यवहार करा तुमी बिकॉज यू आर ब्रेकिंग द लॉज ऑफ द साऊदी अरेबिया. ताणें सांगला नो यू कॅनॉट come with tourist visa, you have to come with proper visa of the employers. पूण हे लोक कितें करता, they don't take our advice, they don't even get their contract attested by proper authorities, they go there and now they have been caught and they are going to be repatriated.
Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Government will not allow two music festivals to be held at the same time. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has made this clear. Goa is expecting 450,000 foreign tourists and 1,300 charter flights during this season. Parulekar says New Daboli Airport Terminal will be ready by December. Tourism Ministry has given up the idea of having celebrity as brand ambassador to promote Goa tourism.
Tourism Minister Parulekar is firm on his stand. He says Sunburn will not be organized in Kanduli. Also, like in the past, two music festivals will not be held at the same time in Goa.
Sunburn हो इव्हेंट कानोळे ग्राउंडाचेर इतक्या वर्सांक 6 वर्सां जातालो थंय परत जावचो ना हें आयज बसून म्हाजें ठाम मत आसा. सनबर्ना येदो व्हडलो जर एक इव्हेंट जावपाचो आसा आनी एट अ टायम जर 2 कडेन जावपाचो आहा खंयचो एक जातलो. जे लोक येतात पळय एट अ टायम एक 15-20 हजार लोक ते इव्हेंटाक येतात तेंचें सुरक्षा दिवप हें सरकारचें म्हाका दिसता पयलें कर्तव्य आनी तेका लागून खंयचो एक इव्हेंट जातलो.
Goa is celebrating World Tourism Day on 27th and 28th September. The celebration will be held at Inox Courtyard.
We have a total celebrations all over Goa. We have a brass band on the 27th which will be playing from morning 5 AM to 8:30 a.m. at the airport to welcome the international passengers to Goa. We will be distributing authentic Goan sweets.
Tourism Ministry has given up the idea of having brand ambassador to promote Goa tourism. Just a month back, Parulekar had said that Goa has received proposals from noted celebrities to be brand ambassadors of Goa. But now he feels Goa does not need any ambassador. Have a look at this statement by the minister a month back.
दीपिका पडुकोण आसा सरकारचे म्हणणे आसा की सचिन तेंडुलकराकूय घेवप सचिन तेंडुलकराकूय घेवप परत आपले सैफ अली खान आणि तेजी करीना कपूर हांचे कडल्यान हांचे सुद्धा प्रपोजल आयल्या नाही कोण एकूच घेतले जर व्यवस्थित चालले जाल्यार डेफिनेटली वी कॅन थिंक ओवर.
And here is the latest statement. Parulekar believes
गोवा इज अ स्वताचे इतके इमेज बरी आसा की जगार खंयसरूय गेल्या नंतर गोवा म्हटलं की लोक 4 डेस्टिनेशनां दिली आणि गोवा भितर जर आहा जाल्यार फर्स्ट प्रेफरन्स दिता लोक गोंयच्या नांवारूच आणि तुमच्या सगळ्या गोंयकाराच्या नांवान लोक येता आणि हेच्या फुडें येतले सेलिब्रिटीची गरज ना.
the change in the stand has raised few question marks. Goa is expecting 4,50,000 foreign tourists and 1,300 charter flights this season. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
The Reserve Bank of India has banned 0% interest rate schemes for purchase of consumer goods. RBI issued directives to the banks on Wednesday. This move by the Premier Bank intends to protect the customers. The central bank has also said no additional charges can be levied on payment through debit cards.
The RBI has asked the banks to offer uniform interest rates and processing fee on EMI. The RBI said the interest rate charge is camouflaged and passed on to the customer as processing fee by banks offering 0%. The RBI notification mentions banks should not resort to any practice that would distort the interest rate structure of a product. This vitiates transparency in pricing mechanism, which is very important for a customer to take informed decisions. The RBI has also observed that some banks were loading the expenses incurred in sourcing the loan in the applicable rate of interest charged on the product. With regard to subvention, it said the loan amount sanctioned for the purchase should be after taking into account the discount rather than giving effect to the benefit by reducing the interest. Meanwhile, Maruti Suzuki has decided to hike prices of all their car models by 10,000 rupees. This hike would be in force from the first week of October. This decision has come following rupee depreciation. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.